Bees are buzzing insects we often see flitting around flowers, but these tiny creatures are more than meets the eye. They play a crucial role in our ecosystem. Bees are vital pollinators, helping plants reproduce and produce food. Without bees, our world would be a very different place. From the colorful flowers in our gardens to the food on our plates, bees are essential for a thriving planet. Bees give us a sweet treat, honey. This golden liquid is not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial. Honey has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties and as a natural sweetener. The relationship between bees and humans is one of interdependence. We rely on these buzzing insects for our survival and well-being. Understanding bees and their importance is crucial. Their survival is directly linked to our own. Let's delve into the fascinating world of bees and discover the magic they create. Honey, a golden liquid symbolizing sweetness and health, is a product of the intricate work of bees. The journey from flower to hive is a testament to the bees' industrious nature and their remarkable ability to transform nectar into this precious substance. It all begins with the bees' foraging expeditions. Worker bees, the dedicated foragers of the hive, embark on flights to collect nectar from blooming flowers. Using their long, straw-like tongues, called proboscis, they suck up the sugary nectar and store it in a special sac called the honey stomach. A single bee may visit thousands of flowers in a day, diligently gathering nectar to fill its honey stomach. Once back at the hive, the forager bee regurgitates the collected nectar to a house bee. This nectar, still in its raw form, is passed mouth to mouth from bee to bee. This process of transfer helps to reduce the water content of the nectar and introduces enzymes that begin breaking down complex sugars into simpler ones. The house bees then deposit the nectar into the honeycomb cells. Inside the honeycomb, the bees fan their wings tirelessly, creating a warm breeze that further evaporates the water content of the nectar. As the nectar thickens, it transforms into honey. The bees then seal the honeycomb cells with beeswax, preserving the honey within. This honey serves as a vital food source for the colony, especially during the colder months when nectar is scarce. The transformation of nectar into honey is a marvel of nature. Harvesting honey is a delicate process, a careful extraction of the golden liquid from the bees' meticulously crafted honeycombs. For centuries, humans have been collecting honey, devising methods that vary from simple and traditional to advanced and technological. Each technique reflects a deep respect for the bees and their intricate work. Traditional methods often involve carefully removing the honeycomb frames from the hive and gently brushing off the bees. The sealed honeycomb cells are then cut open using a warm knife, allowing the honey to flow out. This method, often used by small-scale beekeepers, involves minimal processing and preserves the natural flavors and nutrients of the honey. Modern beekeeping has introduced techniques that streamline the harvesting process while prioritizing the well-being of the bees. One such method utilizes a specialized machine called a honey extractor. The frames are placed in the extractor, which spins rapidly, using centrifugal force to draw out the honey from the combs without damaging them. Another modern technique involves using a flow hive. This innovative system features specially designed frames with partially formed honeycomb cells. When a lever is activated, the cells split vertically, creating channels for the honey to flow down into a collection vessel. This method allows for honey extraction without opening the hive, minimizing disturbance to the bees. Regardless of the method, harvesting honey is a testament to the harmonious relationship between humans and bees. Honey, a golden liquid with a rich history, has graced our tables and nourished our bodies for centuries. Its versatility as a culinary ingredient and its potent medicinal properties have solidified its place as a cherished natural product. From ancient civilizations to modern kitchens, honey continues to tantalize taste buds and promote well-being. In the culinary realm, honey reigns supreme as a natural sweetener, adding a touch of sweetness and complexity to a wide array of dishes. Its distinct flavor profile, ranging from delicately floral to robustly earthy, varies depending on the nectar source. Honey can be drizzled over warm bread, added to tea, used as a glaze for meats, or incorporated into baked goods. Beyond its culinary uses, honey has long been revered for its medicinal properties. Rich in antioxidants, enzymes, and amino acids, honey possesses antibacterial and antifungal properties. It has been used traditionally to soothe sore throats, suppress coughs, and promote wound healing. Manuka honey, in particular, is renowned for its potent antibacterial effects. Honey's versatility extends beyond the kitchen and the medicine cabinet. It is a key ingredient in cosmetics and skincare products, valued for its moisturizing and healing properties. Honey is a testament to nature's bounty, offering a symphony of flavors and a wealth of health benefits. Section 5. Pollination powerhouse. Bees' vital role in our ecosystem. Bees, often buzzing unnoticed in our gardens and parks, are unsung heroes of the natural world. These industrious insects play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystem, acting as pollination powerhouses. Their tireless efforts ensure the reproduction of a vast array of plants, including a significant portion of the crops that nourish us. Pollination, the process of transferring pollen from the male part of a flower to the female part, is essential for plant fertilization. As bees flit from flower to flower, collecting nectar and pollen, they inadvertently facilitate this vital process. Pollen sticks to their hairy bodies and is then deposited on the next flower they visit, enabling fertilization and the production of fruits, vegetables, and seeds. The economic impact of bees as pollinators is staggering. It is estimated that 1/3 of the food we consume relies on pollination by bees. From the coffee we sip in the morning to the almonds in our snacks, bees play a critical role in bringing these foods to our tables. Without bees, our diets would be severely limited, and the agricultural industry would face significant challenges. The importance of bees extends far beyond our dinner plates. They are essential for maintaining biodiversity, ensuring the survival of countless plant species that provide food and habitat for other wildlife. Bees are a vital thread in the intricate web of life, and their decline would have far-reaching consequences for the health of our planet. Section 6. The sting bee defense and human reactions. Bees, despite their vital role in our ecosystem, are often associated with their ability to sting. While a bee sting can be a painful experience, it's important to remember that bees sting primarily as a defense mechanism. Understanding the reasons behind bee stings and the range of human reactions can help us coexist more peacefully with these important pollinators. Bees are not inherently aggressive creatures. They will only sting if they feel threatened or if their hive is in danger. When a bee stings, it injects a small amount of venom into the skin. This venom contains proteins that trigger an immune response in humans, resulting in pain, swelling, and redness at the sting site. For most people, a bee sting is a localized reaction that subsides within a few hours or days. However, some individuals may experience more severe reactions. Allergic reactions to bee stings can range from mild to life-threatening. Symptoms of an allergic reaction may include hives, itching, swelling of the face, throat or tongue, difficulty breathing, dizziness, and a drop in blood pressure. If you are stung by a bee, the first step is to remove the stinger as quickly as possible. This can be done by scraping it off with a fingernail or a credit card. Avoid squeezing the stinger, as this can release more venom into the skin. Washing the area with soap and water and applying a cold compress can help reduce pain and swelling. If you experience any signs of an allergic reaction, seek medical attention immediately. Section 7. A look inside the hive bee society and behavior. Within the bustling confines of a beehive exists a highly organized society, a marvel of nature's intricate design. Honeybees, known for their industrious nature and complex social structure, operate as a cohesive unit, each bee playing a specific role that contributes to the survival of the colony. Understanding the inner workings of a beehive offers a glimpse into the fascinating world of these social insects. At the heart of the hive reigns the queen bee, the only female bee with fully developed reproductive organs. Her primary role is to lay eggs, ensuring the continuation of the colony. The queen bee can lay up to 2,000 eggs per day, a testament to her vital role in the hive. The vast majority of bees in a hive are worker bees, all female bees with specific tasks. These industrious females are responsible for collecting nectar and pollen, building and maintaining the hive, caring for the brood, and defending the colony. Their roles may change throughout their lifespan, showcasing their adaptability and dedication to the hive's well-being. Male bees, called drones, have a singular purpose: to mate with a virgin queen. Drones are larger than worker bees but lack stingers, and do not participate in foraging or hive maintenance. Their role, while seemingly limited, is crucial for the genetic diversity of bee populations. Communication within the hive is a marvel of nonverbal cues. Bees communicate through a combination of pheromones, chemical signals that convey information, and intricate dances such as the waggle dance, which communicates the location of food sources. The waggle dance, a mesmerizing performance of figure-8 movements, provides information on the direction, distance, and quality of nectar and pollen sources. Section 8. Threats to bees, a crisis in the making. Bees, despite their resilience and adaptability, are facing a growing number of threats, a crisis that has alarmed scientists and conservationists worldwide. These threats, largely driven by human activities, are jeopardizing bee populations, with potentially devastating consequences for ecosystems and food security. Understanding these threats is crucial for implementing effective conservation strategies and ensuring the survival of these vital pollinators. One of the most significant threats to bees is habitat loss. As urban areas expand and agricultural practices intensify, natural habitats for bees are being destroyed at an alarming rate. The conversion of wildflower meadows into monoculture crops and the use of pesticides are depriving bees of their natural food sources and nesting sites. Pesticides, widely used in agriculture to protect crops from pests, are having a devastating impact on bee populations. Neonicotinoids, a class of insecticides commonly used on crops, are particularly harmful to bees. These systemic insecticides accumulate in all parts of the plant, including the pollen and nectar which bees rely on for food. Exposure to neonicotinoids can lead to a range of effects on bees, including impaired navigation, reduced foraging ability, weakened immune systems, and even death. Climate change is also posing a significant threat to bees. Rising temperatures, changes in precipitation patterns, and extreme weather events are disrupting bee foraging patterns, altering flowering times and increasing the prevalence of pests and diseases that can harm bee colonies. The combined effects of habitat loss, pesticide exposure, and climate change paint a bleak picture for the future of bees. Section 9. A call to action, saving our pollinators. The decline of bee populations is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. It is a call to action, urging us to rethink our relationship with the natural world and take responsibility for protecting the creatures that sustain us. The fate of bees lies in our hands, and the time to act is now. Creating bee-friendly habitats is a crucial step in bee conservation. Planting pollinator gardens filled with a diversity of flowering plants that bloom throughout the year provides bees with a vital food source. Reducing or eliminating pesticide use is essential for protecting bee populations. Opting for organic gardening methods and supporting farmers who practice sustainable agriculture are tangible ways to reduce pesticide exposure for bees. Raising awareness about the importance of bees and the threats they face is crucial for garnering public support for conservation efforts. Educating ourselves and others about the vital role bees play in our ecosystem and the simple steps we can take to protect them can make a world of difference. Supporting organizations and initiatives dedicated to bee conservation is another impactful way to contribute to the cause. Donating to research efforts aimed at understanding bee decline, advocating for bee-friendly policies, and participating in citizen science projects that monitor bee populations are all meaningful actions that can help safeguard the future of bees. The time for complacency is over. The buzz of bees is a symphony of life, a testament to the intricate balance of nature. Let us answer their call with action, ensuring that these vital pollinators continue to grace our planet for generations to come.